My name is Mike Farino. I'm a manager over at Unlimited Sports Action in Port Washington, New York. Our business life before EZFacility was very stressful. We did everything by pen and paper. There are a lot of kids coming in the facility and using the facility for classes and lessons and so forth, and we just weren't able to tell if they owed money, and it was very difficult to go up to them and ask them if they owed a balance. It's kind of embarrassing and unprofessional. There was definitely money that was slipping through the cracks, and we weren't really making efficient use of our time. There were definitely unused hours and minutes in the day that could have been generating more sales, but because we didn't have a system like EZFacility, we weren't really able to make use of that. This is how we did our field rentals. You could see whenever we made a change, we'd have to scribble the line off. Even if we had to change the spelling of his name, we had to scribble and this highlighter all over the place. We didn't know when things would start and end and if we had gaps. And then after the implementation of EZFacility, it changes into this, where we have an invoice, we have balances that are due, how much per hour. We have all the times and dates listed there for them. Since implementing EZFacility, our lives have been much less stressful. It's much easier to tell who owes money and collect the balances on packages and private lessons and field rentals. We're able to book the facility minute to minute and not have any downtime. Never have to worry that we would overbook things or miss out on lost time. Since using EZFacility, I would say our busiest months have increased almost 30% or more. Now we integrated EZFacility onto our website. People are able to register online. Also, the lessons that we're able to book now, we know how many lessons the person has left. We know when to re-up them on a package. Also, the email marketing is great when we want to send an email out to a specific group. If for some reason the class is canceled or we have to reschedule, we're able to target that audience very easily right now. Also, I would say the client management system is great. We have everyone's phone numbers and we can log phone calls and when we last spoke to them, if we have to follow up on things with them. It's just easier for cross-coordination. One of my favorite parts of EZFacility is the customer support that they provide. It's very easy to get someone on the phone. They have an answer right away, and if they don't have the answer, they find the right person to get back to you. They have the online tool which you can submit a problem and a trouble ticket, and that's been really good for us when we're busy and we're not able to make a phone call. We can just email them and they get back to us very quickly. The training process that they have is incredible. They really held our hands throughout the whole process and made it really easy to use, and we were up and running right away. I'd recommend EZFacility to anyone who does not already have it. They could start a free trial, and this will be the first step in getting your business to making more money and more profits.